Thermostat wiring for heating and air conditioning, or HVAC. So basically, when there occasions arise when one's not certain if the thermostat's bad or if a particular unit's bad, say the blower motor or relay or whatnot. So one way to ascertain what method is better than the other and what is working and what is not working. One method is one can take the faceplate off of the thermostat and take the wires and actually twist the wires together. And once the wires are twisted together, but now more specifically, one needs this hot wire, the red wire, because you need to use the wire where the incoming 24 volts has energized that particular wire. If you use another wire and it's not energized, and you tie this around another wire, nothing plus nothing's going to equal nothing. So basically, find the particular wire that energizes that has voltage to it. Now, one would assume that the red wire would have 24 volts. If you wanted to take your voltmeter, you could put your voltmeter up and test and see if the incoming voltage is active or live or whatnot. But now, one issue when one ties these around, if you're not careful, sometimes when the thermostat wire comes out of the wall, it depends on who puts it in. Sometimes I like to put it in and push a little bit back into the wall, so the next person, if they revisit the issue that you had or someone else had, at least they have enough wire. Because if you take these wires and you take this wire and you wrap it around here, then the end of this wire can conceivably get a little bit gnarled, and you may have to come back and cut a little bit more off and then feed it to where you've got some good clean wire, as opposed to all these different weird configurations here. Now, another method to use, I have a little jumper wire that I've created, and one to simply take, and you can take the jumper wire and clamp it here, and take your other alligator clip or whatever you want to call them and clamp it here. So now the voltage is live between here and here. So, and now when we remove this, the wire should be still in pretty good shape. And again, we can just reclip it back on here and clip it this way. And now we have wire here to here. So this is just another way to do this, to ascertain if the thermostat is bad or good or whatnot. We're simply bypassing the thermostat doing this. Now, if we left this here on permanently, the caveat would be the system would run incessantly and would not cut off, and it may burn the motor up or something, or whatever fixture you're trying to do, because the thermostat, the temperature would cut it on and off. So just be sure after you've tested it to get your wires and disconnect your wires. And it's that easy to test with a jumper wire. And then this keeps your wire in good shape here too. This way, when you push it back up into the thermostat, as one can see, the end of this wire looks good. This one's getting kind of bent. It makes a good connection without getting broken or shorted, etc. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.